Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Chemical Guys Detail Garage. We are part number 2 on this Ford F250 Super Duty. As you guys can see in our previous video, we took care of the wheels and an undercarriage. And today we're going to be showing you guys 5 quick tips on how to make your used car look its best. Let's get started. But before we get into this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Like this video because every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday we have brand new content for you guys that shows you how to clean your car from the interior, exterior, undercarriage, engine bay. You think about it, we have it. Anyways, back to this video. Before we get into the quick tips, let's just go over what type of surface we have on this truck. To start off with, it has paint, it has headlights, which is clear plastic, it has chrome, it has tons of plastic around it. So like this, using these 5 quick tips will make your ride shine at any given time. To start off with, we're going to start with Honeydew Snow Foam and our Big Mouth Max Use Foam can. The Big Mouth Max Use Foam can attaches to any pressure washer with a minimum PSI level of 800 and a gallons per minute of 1.6. Like this, you guys shoot tons of foam like us on our YouTube videos. You can do this at home. So Honeydew Snow Foam is a very gentle wash that produces tons of foam. If you want to throw a foam party, use Honeydew Snow Foam. Honeydew Snow Foam went ahead and covered this entire vehicle with tons of suds, and whenever I grabbed my big noodle wash mitt, it was allowing me to get all the dirt, grime, debris away from the surface of the vehicle without harming it nor scratching it. Before I forget, I also use the Big Mouth Max Use Foam Cannon and Honeydew Snow Foam with my 2-bucket method. By using the 2-bucket method, I avoided cross-contamination and avoided scratching the swirls. So whenever you use a 2-bucket method, we always recommend having a soapy water and a rinse water. Like this, you prevent cross-contamination, and at the bottom of your buckets, we always recommend using a dirt trap. A dirt trap is going to filter while you wash. So like this, whenever you get dirt, grime, debris away from the surface of the paint, and you come back to your rinse bucket, your big noodle wash mitt is going to wring out clean, and like that, you no longer have contamination on your wash mitt, and whenever you come back to the paint or your chrome or whatever you're scrubbing, it will not scratch nor harm the paint. So after we finished with the washing process, we moved on to the headlights. By moving on to the headlights, you guys saw previously these headlights look dull and they look yellow, and headlights are a big eye catcher for any type of vehicle. If your vehicle has yellow hazy headlights, we recommend using Headlight Restorer with our drill attachment brush. Like this, you restore them fast and easy. So Headlight Restorer is actually a polish and sealant all in one. Like this, you polish your headlights out and you seal them all in one step. Like this, they no longer get yellow over time. So Headlight Restorer is very easy to use. We always recommend masking off your painted surfaces, your chrome, or anything that surrounds your headlights so you can prevent any damage from happening, because you are going to be using the drill. In this occasion, I use a 3-inch backing plate with my good screw and my 4-inch pad. So like this, I was eligible to remove all the contamination and yellowing away from these headlights. So by using this, I was eligible to restore the headlights. Now back to clarity. So now whenever we drive this vehicle at night, we actually have clarity and it is no longer yellow, and our headlights actually shine brighter. So Headlight Restorer, like I told you guys, also has a sealant in it that's going to protect it from yellowing. Just in case if this truck sits outside, which it does, it's not going to yellow within a month or 2 months. It's actually going to sustain a clear plastic. So I always recommend restoring your headlights whenever you get a new or old car to restore it back to how it once looked. Once we finished with the headlights, we moved on to the trim. As you guys can see, this F250 has tons of trim and has a lot of intricate areas, such as the vents on the side, the grills, the bumper pads, and much more, as well as the side mirrors. So in this occasion, I went with aerosol dressing like black on black. Black on black is an oil-based dressing that is a very fine mist and is very easy to use. So as you guys can see, the F250 has grills, it has very intricate details sitting all over it. And by using black on black, it gave me a very light mist to get me into the hard to reach areas. By using black on black, I was eligible to restore the plastic, but keep this in mind. Black on black is an oil-based dressing, but as soon as it goes on, it is dry to the touch, which means it will not accumulate any dust, grime, debris over time. And it's oil-based dressing, so just in case it comes into contact with water or liquid, it's not going to wear off. And if you need to reapply it, it's so easy to use. Just simply shake up the product, open up the bottle, mist it, and you're good to go. Once we were done with the trims all around this F250, we moved on to the chrome and the metal pieces. As you guys can see, it has side steps that were completely polished, and it also has chrome dip plastic up front. The chrome dip plastic on this F250 is a big eye catcher because it's ginormous. But by using light metal polish, it allowed me to restore the chrome around this F250. Like I told you guys, the grill is massive, and this is an eye catcher whenever you're driving an F250. I mean, the chrome is pretty big. So in this occasion, light metal polish did an amazing job at removing all the contamination, fallout, grime, as well as water spots that sat on top of this chrome. Because keep this in mind, this is chrome dip plastic, so I want to go with the most gentlest form by using light metal polish. What's the difference between light metal polish and heavy metal polish? Heavy metal polish has abrasives, while light metal polish does not have abrasives. So all you need to do is just grab your light metal polish, shake it up before using it. Once you are done, put it onto an applicator, then rub it on side to side, up and down until it turns clear or translucent. Then get a clean microfiber towel, like a workhorse microfiber towel, and just buff off the residue and unveil that amazing shine. It's also going to protect it from any dirt, grime, debris, or contamination that might come back onto the surface. If it does come back onto it, it's not going to let it pit itself into the chrome dip plastic. It's actually just going to sit on top of the surface. So now that we finished with the chrome, the trim, the wash, the headlights, I just want the cherry on top. Something quick and easy that's going to give me the most shine possible in a minimum of time, and that is Blazing Banana. Blazing Banana changes the way you wax your ride forever. I mean, it's an easy spray on, wipe off formula. Simply just spray the formula onto the surface you are working on. It works on chrome, wheels, glass, paint, and much more. Simply just spray onto the surface, wipe it off, and like that, you protect and enhance your shine all in one easy step. So Blazing Banana is a carnauba-based wax that's actually going to give it a very warm glow to any color paint, whether it's blue, black, green, purple. It's going to give it a very warm glow because the carnauba in it is going to add synthetic gloss enhancers and bring out an amazing shine and reflection with a simple spray and white formula. As you guys can see, this F250, how it showed up to the shop, it was completely tarnished and neglected. The tires were dull, the trim was dull, the paint was dirty, but now check out this amazing before and after. The paint now is glowing, the trim is glowing, as well as the chrome dip plastic using these 5 easy steps. So guys, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Everything I use in this video will be in the links down below, or you could also hop onto the website right now, chemicalguys.com, or I recommend you stop by a local detail garage. It's a car enthusiast paradise. We have over 85 detail locations across the globe, including Canada and the UK. As always, I'm Henry, and thank you for sharing your passion for shine with Chemical Guys. Oh, and before I forget, the Big Noodle wash mitt is in stock right now on our website. Pick it up right now.